get it.
Oh, we got it.
Come on, I had to frame you. It was the only way to draw you in.
Full confession.
I can't believe you didn't notice it that way.
All we need to do is get this to the chief. Clear our names.
All right. We did it. Touchdown, Daz. Hey, buddy. You okay? Huh? Oh, nothing. Just imagining my next job.
Look, this is the plan.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm just saying. What am I saying? I'm just saying, what if we took a wrong turn with the whole going good thing? You know what I mean? Yeah, but it's gonna be different this time.
Capture the Phantom Band. That'll look great on your resume.
We're gonna be heroes.
But honestly,
Yeah, no, yeah, totally. What am I talking about? You're right. Come on, let's find the chief. Let's go.